Here I am, just out of Nature's Valley, and at least a dozen baboons scampering away in front of me. What you doing, monkey? I won't hurt you. It's felt like ages to get to this point. It's finally starting to narrow into a gorge, I hope. Well, just got a first sight of the bridge. I knew I was within half a K because of the GPS, but doesn't seem like much of a canyon. But I'll persist and see what it looks like around the corner, but first a bite to eat. Feeling a bit better now. Seems all I needed was a bar of chocolate. This is cool. I'm under the bridge and I've left my pack raft 100 metres back because it's a bit slow. But this means I'm going to have to swim stuff like this. And I can't trust Sony. I've had a bad experience with them, so it's going to stay behind. It's a lot colder this way. Quite pretty. Yeah, it's after midday, so I should think about going back, and I think this is a fitting point to turn around. Predict to be lots of steep-sided deep pools once you leave the pack raft behind. Now we're back in business. Just sheltering out of the rain for a bite to eat. So I got pretty wet all of a sudden. It's starting to get cold with the rain on me.